This video is a step-by-step guide on how to install Airlo's eSIM on iPhone. It's pretty easy. Let's check not all iOS devices are eSIM compatible. So let's check it. It's a very good idea so you don't get into trouble. Now open your Airlo app, tap on My eSIMs. Now check if you want to install. Now tap on Direct View Instructions. Tap on Install eSIMs. Tap next to the Move Through Step-by-Step Guide. Tap Continue twice and wait for a few minutes for eSIM to activate. And it's done. Accelerator mobile data plan label to newly installed eSIM. Tap secondary, enter Airlo in your preferred label, tap done, tap contribute, select your primary line for calls and text message, tap continue, select your primary line for iMessage FaceTime, continue, select your Airlo eSIM for cellular mobile data, ensure that allow cellular data switching is turned off and tap on continue. After all these steps, you'll see a confirmation that it's successfully installed. You can follow the instructions to select the cellular data, and that's it. Your eSIM is now activated. Congratulations. I'll see you in the next one.